Okay, we're going to install VirtualBox. So I need to show you where to get it. Just type VirtualBox. Scroll down, go to downloads, go to Linux distributions and choose 15. I've already downloaded it. I've spent a good couple of hours messing about with it, working out how to install it. I'm going to be honest with you. Download that, scroll down, and then we need to find downloads, all supported extension pack, and just click save. Done. And once you've downloaded, copy the VirtualBox to your needed RPMs folder, if you've made it, if you've been following what I'm doing. And then system YST2, go to software repositories, find personal RPMs and just refresh selected, close, come out, type in VirtualBox. Now remember, this is the package you downloaded. You install this package and this package alone. Don't install anything else on this page. Ignore. Finish. Don't leave here. Go down to security and users. Go to user management. Go here, click edit, go to details, scroll down and select VBox users. Click OK. Click OK. Then start VirtualBox. Go to File, Preference, Extensions, Add, navigate to this file, VirtualBox extension pack. Click open, click install, scroll down, I agree, enter password. Okay, okay. Now we need to install, make a virtual machine, name it Win 10 VM. If it's too hard for you to follow this, go to 3. Let's see if I can find it. go here, and it will tell you exactly the same thing. This is where I got the information. What you do, done. Call it Win10 VM, click next, set your RAM, I'm going to give it about 8 gig, click next, create a virtual disk, next, create a virtual disk image, click next, dynamically allocated 50 gig, click next, done. Settings, system, you see that I've set certain things. I've got a 16 core processor, I'm using 4 of them. Just follow. Display, same again, I'll enable that. Storage, click empty, click here, clicks, I can't remember now, hold on. And this is where I click here, that's the downloaded Windows iOS, and now my luck it won't work. There you go, it's done. From here you should know what you're doing. So I'm going to pause this here, I'm going to stop the recording, I'm going to install Windows 10 and come back to you. Okay, we're installed. Go up to devices, insert guest edition. I'll resize this properly later. Go to folders, go to PC, double click, or I'll tell you what, I'll just go here, double click, click yes, and just click next to everything. Change into different modes, you go to input or view and you choose whichever one you want. Host C is right control plus C. So if I press that, it becomes a full window. To get out of it, control C, and we're back to normal. And that's it. The reason I wanted to install VirtualBox is if you need Windows applications, there you go. I've disconnected it from the internet so you can have update free and no one spying on you while you're doing your work in Windows. If you need to transfer files, go here, right click, shared folders, click add, enter path, other, and I will just go Glenn, click OK, auto mount, make permanent, click OK, OK, go here, go to PC, and there you go. You've got access to all the documents and you can transfer back and forth. Next video will be showing you an email client, and then that's it. Thanks for watching. Basic video, I know, not very good, but it's there, it's what I wanted to do. Job done.